Hi everyone, I am Wes and you are watching my channel Teach TechSoft. Today we are doing practical exercise for Microsoft Access. As you can see on your computer screen right now, I'm using this website. There is an this practical exercise, okay, in which we need to create a new database, save it on desktop and name it school database. And after that, we need to create a table in the school database with the following details, okay, like field name, these are data types, these are, and if you need to choose field size or format, you need to choose from here, otherwise no need. After that, you need to write 15 details or 5 details, okay, from your school student or school teachers, okay. Then you need to complete this database. So first we need to open it Microsoft Access and we need to create file name is school database. So I already open it. Now I need to open it blank database. Now here I need to write school database. Okay. Then create the file. Now after that you can see here create a table in the school database with the following details. So first I need to create a flat file by these field names and data types. If you want to put the field size or format, you need to put, otherwise no need. Okay, so I need to create field file. First ID number, text, name, surname, telephone number, date of birth, stipend or foreigners. Okay, ID number, name, surname. So first I need to go here, view. Now you can see here I have two views, okay, design view and data sheet view. So first I need to create a flat file, so I need to open it design view. Here I need to write here table name. Look at here, create a table in the school database with the following details. Okay, so there is no name mentioned here, so I will write with myself school table. Click on it. Now I need to write here ID number in field name and data type as it is written there, text. Okay, short text. Now name, short text, surname, short text, then telephone number and date of birth. So I will write here phone number, I need to choose here numbers from data type and date of birth. Here date and time, date and time. If you need to change the format and size, so you can change this from here. Okay, for example, for numbers, how many field size do you need? Okay, you need to put here, but I don't needed these things, so I need to create these field names and data types only. Then stipend and foreigner. Currency, yes, here. Then foreigner, or you can write here NRI. Okay, here what should I need to choose, yes or no? So check it, is there yes or no? Yes. After that, go back to the data sheet view for the table because we need to create a database. And after that, you need to create 5 details or 15 details, okay, as the examiner says in your class or the exams time. Okay, so first I need to write here 1 because I need to choose text 1, then name like Ali, surname Ahmad, okay, phone number you need to type here like 052347 8 and so on. Okay, it's a random number. Date of birth you need to choose from here. What do you want to put? So I need to put any random dates. Stipend in dollar, so you need to put here any value, $120. Yes or no you need to choose here, otherwise no need. Okay, if NRI, yes. Same thing with other two. Another name Rian, Rian Akram. Phone number, any number. Date of birth, any date. Stipend $76. NRI, click on OK, otherwise no need. Okay, so you can put 5 or 15 details here. Okay, then you need to create your database like that. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section, and after that if you'll face any problem you can ask me, or you can uh, subscribe my channel, then you will see more details like on database. Okay, so goodbye, see you later.